Hello, I'm Mariana King, and this is Where the Sidework Ends.
Today I'm making a signature dish, Pescado Los Feliciano. It's basically a Los Angeles take on a traditional Veracruz dish that has become a staple at the Sidework house. To begin, you need 2 fillets of a firm white fish like halibut or tilefish, 2 tablespoons of butter, a cup of chopped onions, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a bunch of kale that's been taken off the stems and rinsed, about 3 cups, 3 cups of broth, either chicken or seafood, a bit of Old Bay seasoning, a lemon, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Season the fish with salt and Old Bay seasoning on both sides, then press paper towels against the flesh to keep it nice and dry. Set aside for 10 minutes so the seasoning can penetrate. Add a thin layer of olive oil to a large, heavy skillet, and when the pan is smoking, add the fish fillets. If they have skin on them, place them skin side down first. Sear the fish until it releases easily from the pan, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then flip and sear on the other side again until the fish releases easily, about another 1 to 2 minutes. Then you'll remove the fish and set it aside. To the hot pan, add your butter, followed by the onions. Cook until the onions are soft, then add the kale and garlic and toss to combine. Cook until the kale is wilted. Then add your oregano and squeeze the lemons, adding the halves to the pan. Add the stock and bring to a boil, stirring to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Then tuck in the fish, lower the heat to a simmer, cover and poach until the fish is cooked through, about another 3 minutes. To serve, mound 1 cup of cooked quinoa in the center of a wide, flat-bottomed bowl. You can use a ring if you want to be fussy about it. With tongs, place kale and onions around the quinoa to shore it up, then place the fish fillet on top of the quinoa island. Remove the skin if you've left it on, because while it adds flavor to the poaching liquid, it does become a little floppy and not a great texture. Add the broth carefully around the edges. Serve with a dry white wine and lots of crusty bread. For utensils, you definitely need a fork and a spoon. You can enjoy this dish in layers as it was plated, or break up the fish and incorporate everything together to eat it like a stew. It's a great dish any time of year, as satisfying as it is light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon, where the Sidework ends.